Welcome each and everyone. I am going to show you how to make Sorrel BBQ Fried Chicken. This Sorrel BBQ Fried Chicken, you can make this for your whole entire family. Hit the subscribe button, share with a friend, and also you can go check out my Sorrel drink video. I'm going to put it up here, and if you want to know how to make Sorrel drink, check out this video. Open your cupboard and your fridge, grab your ingredients, and let's make this recipe. I'm gonna go over all of the ingredients. The main ingredients for this recipe, chicken, and I'm using back attach, and I just add a few pieces of chicken wings. I wash and clean the chicken using vinegar, and if you want to see how I wash the chicken, go check out one of my jerk chicken video. I also can post that one right here. I'm using 1 onion, green onion / scallion, thyme, and last but not least, the sorrel. It's sweetened, and I also add ginger. I'm gonna add some to the chicken to let it marinate overnight. Please follow along, you don't wanna miss none of this. I am using 1 tablespoon of meat seasoning, 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of orange spice, and 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and a tablespoon of onion powder. I'm gonna start adding seasoning to the chicken, but first I'm gonna cut up the onion and the green onion and the thyme. Now I finished cutting up the onion, thyme, and the scallion, which is the green onion. I'm gonna add it into the pot with the chicken. Now I'm gonna add season to the chicken, and I put my gloves on. I'm gonna add some of the season, and also I'm gonna be coating the chicken in flour, so I'm gonna save some of the season to add to the flour. Now for the sorrel, you're not gonna add all of the sorrel at once. You're gonna just add a small amount. Quarter cup of sorrel you wanna add to the chicken. Now I'm gonna massage the season and get it into the chicken. Then when you smile, massaging the seasoning into the chicken, it's gonna fry more quicker, and it also enhances the flavor. I finish massaging the season into the chicken, and this is what the chicken look like. And also, this is the amount of season that's leave behind to add to the flour. Now I'm gonna transfer the chicken into a Ziploc bag. Now I'm gonna seal the bag. Just gonna fold it. When it's marinated, all of that season gonna absorb into the chicken. Now I'm gonna zip. But guys, I'll be making this chicken tomorrow, so I'm gonna make it stay in the fridge overnight to marinate. Place it in the fridge, not in the freezer. Now I'm getting ready to fry chicken. Everyone gonna love this recipe. I have 2 cups of flour, and I have my pot on the convection stove, and I remove my chicken from the fridge. It's time to add season to the flour, but before I add season to the flour, I'm gonna turn my stove on, and I'm gonna set it at the highest temperature. And I'm gonna add vegetable oil. I'm gonna wait until the oil get hot. In the meantime, I'm gonna add seasoning to the flour. And this is the same season that I use to season the chicken. I'm just gonna add some in the flour and I'm gonna mix it in. And the reason for getting the flour seasoned, you don't want the seasoned chicken into flour that's unseasoned. You're gonna take away the flavor from the chicken. Now I finished seasoning the flour. Now I transfer the chicken into this bowl and it's time to add them into the flour. I'm just gonna leave the onion behind. So I'm gonna let these chicken in the pot fry and I'm gonna coat these one. I'm gonna start turning them over. Now I'm gonna remove the chicken from the oil and I keep on checking on them. And I added paper towel onto this plate. And the paper towel is just to catch the oil. Now I'm gonna add the rest of chicken that I already coated in the flour. And we're just repeating the process. And guys, always check on what you're cooking in the kitchen. I'm just gonna let these go until it's golden brown. I'm gonna remove them from the oil. And just have a nice golden color. I'm gonna shut my stove off. And I'm gonna make the Sorrel BBQ sauce. I'm gonna show you how I make this delicious Sorrel BBQ sauce. I am gonna go through all of the ingredients. I am using 1.5 cup of unsweetened sorrel. I'm gonna use it to coat the chicken. I'm using 1 cup of liquid sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 cup of ketchup, and you can use any ketchup of your choice. I have just a small amount of sorrel inside this cup. And the reason I'm gonna boil this one and I'm gonna use this to mix out the cornstarch. I'm gonna turn the stove on. I'm using the convection stove. I'm gonna turn it up to the highest temperature. And also, when I boil the sorrel, I already add ginger and allspice, so it's gonna have that flavor kicking in the barbecue sauce. So first, the 1 cup of ketchup. You wanna get it all in there. The sugar, and this is liquid sugar. You can use brown sugar. So we're gonna give the sorrel a little mix with the ketchup. I'm gonna add half cup of liquid sugar. And the reason to add half cup is so that when we do the taste, if it need more, we can always add more. Always have more ingredients than what you needed at all time. So we're gonna keep mixing. The cornstarch we're gonna use to thicken sauce. I'm gonna add the sorrel to the cornstarch, and I'm gonna use a tablespoon to mix it. And this is what it looked like after finish mixing. I'm gonna let the sorrel come to a boil. Now the sorrel is boiling, I'm gonna start stirring it. I am going to do a taste. And that's the right amount of sugar. Now for the cornstarch that I mix out with the sorrel, I'm gonna add it inside there. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna check on the Sorrel BBQ sauce. That's the thickness you want from it. You don't want it to be like jello thick. I'm going to shut the stove off. Now I have my Sorrel BBQ Fried Chicken. I'm gonna add them in the sauce. So I'm gonna add the chicken into this bowl. And I'm gonna remove the paper towel. Now I'm gonna get them coated in sauce. Now I'm gonna move them around. I'm gonna use a spatula to just mix them around and get them all coated in the sauce. Now I finish coating them in the sauce, and this is what it look like. Sorrel BBQ Fried Chicken. Guys, I know Christmas is around the corner. Even your neighbor gonna ask for this recipe. I'm gonna make a plate and I'm gonna try a piece of chicken for the taste test. Now I'm gonna go in for the taste test. I'm gonna try a piece, and I have thigh and a wing. Nothing but the barbecue chicken. I'm just wiping my mouth to talk. Guys, go and make this. Come back in the comment section and tell me about this when you make it and serve it. And remember, your neighbor gonna ask for this recipe. It's only available on Chef Henry Kitchen. And I will see you all on the next one.